Hello guys, and welcome to the Top Apps Technology. My name is Mohammed Ilyas, and today I am showing you the best converter app that's name is Unit Converter that you can download it from the App Store and also from Play Store. So let's begin. As you see that we have lots of options to convert it. So the first one is the area, that we have the hectare air that we can convert it easy. The next one we have the currency, that we can change the currency of one country to the another country. For example, 20 of Afghani is equal to 18.94 peso, that we can convert it very easy. The next one we have the data. As you see that we have the different datas that we can convert it. The next one we have the fuel mileage, that we have miles per gallon in the UK. Like that, we have lots of options. The next one we have the length, that we have the meter, kilometer, decimeter, and etc., that we can convert it easily. The next one we have the power, that we have horsepower, kilowatt, and watt. The next one we have the pressure, that we have atmosphere, bar, millibar, and etc., that it's very useful. And the next one is the speed, that we have the kilometer per hour, mile per hour, that it's more useful. The next one we have the temperature, that it is very useful in everyday life, that for example 34 Celsius is equal to 93.2 Fahrenheit, that we can convert it to Kelvin, Rankin as well. The next one we have the time, that we have the century, the decade, the calendar year, that it's more useful in everyday life. The next one we have the volume, that we have the cubic meter, liter, deciliter, and more option as well. And in the last one we have the weight, that we have the kilogram, gram, milligram, pound, ounce, that it's all useful in everyday life. And last, we can say that all in one app, that all the things we have in one app, that it's very important. And last, I want to thanks for watching my video, and comment below which app you need that I make videos for you guys. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the ring bell. Thanks guys.